Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are going to look at an average. An average, this refers to the total number of items to the total of items out of the total number of items. For example, if we are traveling at a speed, at one point we have a speed, we have put it at 100, and at one point we increase it at 120. To get the average here, we get 120 plus the 100, which is 220, we divide by 2, which is 110. That means on average our speed has been 110. So our average equals to the total number of items. Those items can be anything out of the number of items. For example, there are 2. If we had more speed, it would be over 3, like that. So they are saying here an example. Let's see. They are saying that Wade has a certain average of for 9 innings. And they said in the 10th inning, he scored 100 runs. And they said by increasing his average by 8 runs, his average is, so they want his new average when they increase the number of runs to what? To 8. All right, together. So let's say, let the average be x. All right, together. So here we say that we have for x there are, because they've said for x or a certain average x for 9 in the average for 9 innings, the certain average for 9 innings, this x is for 9 innings, which is the average. So the number here is the 9 innings. Are we together? The number of items here, are we together? And they've said now in the 10th inning he scores 100. In the 10th inning he scores 100 runs, thereby increasing his average by 8 runs. So his average now increased by 8 runs. Are we together? And they've said, and they're asking now for his new average after now those actually 10 runs. So here in this, there are how many? 10 innings, because they said in the 10th inning. Are we together? His average is this. Are we together? And then they have said he scores 100 runs. So to increase this, so we are going to use the formula average equals to the total items over the number of items. Are we together? But now we shall use the total items. That means that the total items will be equal to the average times the n. Are we together? So we start with the first one. If we have x total items for the first one, that means the total items will, if there are 9 runs, that means it will be x times 9, which will be equal to 9x. And if there are 10, it will be now x plus 8 times 10, which will be equal to 10 into x plus 8. Are we together? But if we increase this to now 10, that means it will be x, 9x, not so, plus now the new one of 10, which is 100. So this will leave us with 9x plus 100, because they are now 10, equals to 10 into x plus 8. So this will leave us 9x plus 100 equals to 10x plus 8. This one crosses this side, this one crosses this side. So remember, the 100 minus 80 equals to 10x minus 9. So 10x minus 9x. So this will leave us with x equals to 20. But what did they ask us? They told us of his new average. His new average is x plus 8. So x plus 8, which is the new average, will be 20 plus 8. And the answer will be 28, which will be C. Next, they are telling us the average temperature on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday was 40 degrees Celsius. Are we together? They've told us the average So here they are giving us averages all. Wednesday plus Thursday plus Friday was 40. Then they've told us here the average for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday was 41. And they are saying if the temperature on Saturday was 42, temperature on Saturday was 42. We're together. This is its temperature, not an average. And they're saying, and they're telling us what was the temperature on Wednesday. Are we together? So let's first find. Remember, our average equals to the total number. Are we together? Over n. Are we together? So now let's find the total number here for this average. The total temperature now will be the average times the number. If it was Wednesday plus Tuesday plus Thursday, it will be 40 times, now it is 3, which will be equal to 120. Plus Tuesday plus Thursday. This is the first total temperature of all of them. And let's go to, if it's Tuesday plus Thursday plus Saturday, will still be 41 times 3, which will be equal to 1, 2, 3. It's Tuesday plus Thursday plus Friday. So this is equation 2. And then for Saturday, the temperature, it was only given 42. So we substitute this into this. If you don't know substitution method, you can look at the videos below. So when you try to substitute actually here, that is in, so that means I mean Tuesday plus Thursday plus Saturday, which is 42, equals to 1, 2, 3. So when this one comes Tuesday plus Thursday equals to 1, 2, 3 minus 41 is 81. So we substitute then this into this. Where there's Tuesday plus Thursday, we put 81. So that means we remain with 81. Are we together? 81, because Tuesday plus Thursday is 81. Are we together? Plus W equals to 120. W will be equal to 120 minus 81. That means our temperature on Wednesday will be equal to 180 minus 21. Let's see. 120 minus 81. We actually get 39 degrees Celsius. Next here they're telling us the average of the first 5 multiples of 9 are these. So let's see the first 5 multiples we have. 9 times 1, which is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. So they want us to find the average. Right? Average equals to the total number out of the number of items. So here total we have 9 plus 18 plus 27 plus 36 plus 45 over the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we add, here we have 9 plus 18 plus 27 plus 36 plus 45, giving us 135 divided by 5. When we divide this by 5, we actually get 27. So please don't forget to like and to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you. Merry Christmas.